Welcome to my channel, IELTS Solo Guide.
In today's video, we will be exploring IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, guiding you through essential points for all chart types you might encounter in the exam, including bar charts, line charts, pie charts, tables, maps, and process diagrams. I hope this will be helpful. Before we begin, please note that a link to a solved chart video featuring Band 6 and Band 8 plus examples is provided in the description.
Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more IELTS videos. In the next video, we will see more academic writing task 1 tips and tricks to help you score a higher band score. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.